Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve this interesting exponential problem that many people fail to solve. That is x power 6 equal 5 power 6 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with today's video solution. So this x power 6, take this 5 power 6 to this side, it becomes minus 5 power 6 equals 0. So we can write this as x power 2 power 3 minus 5 power 2 power 3 equals 0, or you can write it as x power 3 power 2 minus 5 power 3 power 2 equals 0. Now I'm going to use the identity, that is a square minus b square, which is equals to a plus b times a minus b, where a is x cube and b is 5 cube. So it becomes x cube plus 5 cube times x cube minus 5 cube equals 0. So first case x cube plus 5 cube equals 0 and second case x cube minus 5 cube equals 0. Now I am going to use the identity, that is a cube minus b cube. First a cube plus b cube, that is a plus b times a square minus ab plus b square. So it gives us x plus 5 times x square minus 5x plus 25 equals 0. So first x plus 5 equals 0, x equal minus 5. Now this x square minus 5x plus 25 equals 0. So we are going to use the quadratic equation method, where a is 1, b is minus 5 and c is 25. So let's put the value x is equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. So x equal minus minus 5 plus minus under root minus 5 square minus 4 times 1 times 25 by 2 times 1. So x equal 5 plus minus under root 25 minus 4 times 25 by 2. So x equal 5 plus minus under root 25 minus 100 by 2. So x equal 5 plus minus minus 75 by 2. So x equal 5 plus minus this root 75, I can write it as 5 root 3 and this negative sign as iota by 2. So these are the two values of x, that is 5 plus 5 root 3 iota and 5 minus 5 root 3 iota by 2. So we calculated three values. Now comes to this case, that is x cube minus 5 cube equals 0. So here I am going to use the identity a cube minus b cube, which is equals to a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. So this gives x minus 5 times x square plus 5x plus 5 equals 0. So first x minus 5 equals 0. Here is 5 square. So x minus 5 equals 0. So x is equals to 5. And the second case, x square plus 5x plus this 5 square as 25 equals 0. So again, I am going to use the quadratic formula, where a is 1, b is 5 and c is 25. So x equal minus 5 plus minus under root 5 square minus 4 times 1 times 25 by 2 times 1. So x equal minus 5 plus minus under root 25 minus 100 by 2. So x is equals to minus 5 plus minus root negative 75 by 2. So x is equals to 5 minus 5 plus minus 5 root 3 iota by 2. So what are the values of x? So x1 is minus 5, x2 is 5 plus 5 root 3 iota by 2, or you can take 5 common from numerator. x3 is 5 minus 5 root 3 iota by 2. x4 is 5. x5 is minus 5 plus 5 root 3 iota by 2, and x6 is minus 5 root 3 iota by 2. So these are the 6 values of x. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.